Imagine a world where ice moves on its own, powered not by wind or human effort, but by a clever scientific trick. Scientists at Virginia Tech have cracked this mystery, revealing a groundbreaking method to make ice glide across surfaces without needing a push. This isn't magic. It's a carefully engineered solution that could reshape how we tackle energy, cleaning, and even climate challenges. But here's where it gets tricky. The science behind this discovery is more complex than it seems, and some of its potential uses might surprise you. The breakthrough was inspired by a rare natural phenomenon, the sailing stones of Desert Valley. These rocks mysteriously slide across dry lake beds when a combination of melting ice and wind creates thin, temporary ice sheets. When the ice thaws, a gentle breeze can carry the remaining fragments, sometimes dragging rocks along. Researchers were fascinated by this process and wondered, could they replicate it in a controlled way? 5 years later, Jonathan Barreto and his team at Virginia Tech's Nature-Inspired Fluids and Interface Lab succeeded. They designed a flat metal surface with tiny V-shaped grooves arranged in a herringbone pattern. When water is frozen into discs and placed on heated plates, the melting process channels the liquid forward through the grooves, propelling the ice forward. The herringbone design is crucial. It prevents water from flowing backward, ensuring a one-way motion. To test further, the team coated some plates with a water-repellent spray. At first, the ice stuck to the surface, but once the coating broke down, the discs suddenly zipped across the metal like a runaway train. Beyond the lab, the implications are vast. The researchers argue this technology could revolutionize industries from anti-icing systems to self-cleaning surfaces. One particularly exciting application? Energy harvesting. If the metal plates are shaped into circles, the melting ice discs could rotate continuously. Attach magnets or turbines to them, and you've got a power source that requires no external fuel. It's a concept that could turn everyday surfaces into tiny generators. Of course, this isn't without challenges. The team admits more research is needed to scale this technology for real-world use. But for now, the discovery highlights how nature's secrets can inspire innovations we never imagined. And this is the part most people miss. The science behind self-propelled ice isn't just about moving ice. It's about redefining how we interact with materials and energy. So what do you think? Could this technology one day power our cities? Or is it just a fascinating experiment with limited practical value? Share your thoughts in the comments below, because the future of green energy might just start with a little ice.